Hi, Gabriel. The first thing I want to say to you is good job actually completing this assignment, and good job knowing that it's a photo essay, including photos all the way through. And then good job trying to have a storyline, an idea that is showing that your life is different now, go living through this experience. That is great. Really, really great. Now, here are some things that I need you to do. The very first thing you need to do is you need to proofread what you wrote. Okay, I think if you proofread what you wrote, you would see some of the mistakes that you made that made it really hard for me to read the first time, right? So this is what I do with my free time now. I spend time with my friends before. I see so many trees. This is me at the aquarium as I family. If you were to read through that, I bet you could fix all of those editing mistakes, and it goes all the way through to the end. That would make it easier for your reader to read. Okay, so please make that be a habit that you have. Always go through after you write anything, and please go through and proofread it. So that's the first thing I want you to do when you go to do your vision work, is I want you to do some editing and make sure that it can be read by someone. There are mistakes that really made it hard for me to read. Okay, so that's the first thing. The second thing is, this is your first page. This is what I do with my free time now, and you have a picture of a fountain. As your viewer, I don't know what this means. Are you saying you go to Central Park and it's empty, that it used to be filled with people, but now you're by yourself walking around? I don't know. I don't really know, but in a photo essay, either the picture holds the idea or the text helps us hold the idea too. So maybe the picture with the text, we get a sense of what's going on, but I don't have a sense of this here. So you need to revise the text, add to the text, and maybe there's a different picture you need to put here. I don't really know, but it's unclear what you're trying to say you do with your friend, you do with your free time now. I spend time with my friends before. See so many trees. I think you mean I now see so many trees. But again, between this and this, what are you trying to say about seeing so many trees? Instead of seeing people, you see trees. Instead of seeing people, you see emptiness. What are you trying to say from I spend time with my friends before, I now see so many trees? What is it you want to say? And you need to say it. You need to help the reader understand what the point is that you're trying to make here. Okay, let's come to the next here. This is me at the aquarium as I family. Do you mean as a family? Fix that. But here we are at the aquarium, and then here. I go to special places with my friends. I don't get this. So here you are at the aquarium with your family, and here you're going special places with your friends. What are you trying to say in both of these pictures here, these photos? This is me, and like, how does this fit with the idea that you are living at a time where you actually can't go places with your family? Did you go to the aquarium the other day with your family? Was the aquarium open? I don't think so, right? So what is this supposed to say? And say it clearly. This is me at the aquarium as a family. This was my sixth birthday, and I was so happy to be outside. Now I can only view the aquarium online at home on my computer. I don't know, but you have to figure out what you're trying to say. And if you can't show it through the photograph, then you need to, that's what the text is for. Then you need to say it through the text. And you haven't really, again, given me an idea of what it is you're trying to say here. Same thing with this one. I go to special places with my friends. Are you right now going, or you went to special places with your friends? You're not going to special places with your friends, right? I'm assuming this is an older photograph, right? What do you want to say through this? I went to special places with my friends. Now I play with my friends online. I can't be near them, but it's still fun. I don't know, but you have to say the thing that you want to say. Again, I'm not really sure what you're getting at. So the photograph holds information and this text holds information, but not enough information for me to understand your then and now essay that you're trying to show. We went to crowded. I don't get this. I go to special places with my friends. We went to crowded. I don't know what that means. What are you trying to say here? What is it that you want me to know here at the end of this essay? So please go through. First, please please revise it, edit it, make sure everything is written in a way that another person can read. And that's just a matter of you rereading it. I'm sure you can fix all of those things. The next thing is look at the photographs and look at the text. What are you trying to say? And please say it. That needs to happen here, 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 this, this, and this. What are you trying to say through these photographs? It's the title of your essay is Then and Now. Be clearer. So I think you might need different photographs. You for sure need more text. Okay, so I'm going to return it to you, and you're going to reread it. You're going to revise it and turn it back into me. Okay, but again, good job turning in your assignments, because that wasn't happening and it's happening now, and I'm very happy to see that you are turning your assignments in. Okay, bye.